I'm telling you how it is, yo. My motherfucking homie smoking weed to the end, homie. It ain't the same, and it wasn't. I was talking about purple like it motherfucking rained on me. Word.
Got a pocket full of singles and I got the 100s in my house. Waiting on my homies to for the shit. You know what I'm talking about. I really love that good shit. Focus with my homies. Take a pleasant time away. Kicking shit back in the day.
Smoking loud, no. Not now, nigga, we was going down with them big, fat, black, motherfucking chocolate white eyes.
Hey.
Stuff, nigga, all you do is twist that bitch between your palms and all the tobacco you dumped it. Then you put some shit in no assumption. I'm talking like a half ounce or something.
Hey.
And it was all fucking shit. I'm talking about some motherfucking weed that had your fucking heart pumping. Nowadays, barely lucky enough to get a motherfucking gram, plus for a blunt, with the stem, and the stick, and the season. Only thing these niggas got really ain't green now. Talking about some shit that sticks to your fingertips. You can't even lick that shit off, home. I'm talking, you had to cut it cause it's hard like a bone.
Hey, with the silicone, I'm in that collard green pot. I got a £1/4 and I'm fucking up. I'm about to chop this shit up. I'ma bag it up right, about to pass it out. Probably be sold out tonight now. Me and Mikey and my brother JB, chop stupid ass tried to get me in the end, but I'm still standing. Nigga coulda kicked his life, took his life, but I spared him on the OG shit.